Guys, I'm at the Terracotta Army in Xi'an. That's the major tourist attraction in China and is considered as the 8 wonders of the world. And you can see around me there are a lot of people visiting this place, and let's go inside and find out how is it this place. We are entering the museum in which the king and his army are buried. There are about 8,000 soldiers and horses that were buried with the king to protect him. So you can see there are soldiers, their scriptures along with their army buried with this king, and it's now a museum, but it was discovered by a farmer accidentally in 1974.
I think it's amazing, and it's obvious how proud the Chinese are of their discovery, and they have something in their heritage that no one else in the world has. It's beautiful to think.
So there are a lot of people that are visiting this place, and you can find an easy guide for yourself that can tell you about the history of this place. Normally it's a very complex thing if you are unaware of the history, so you can find an easy guide for yourself. They are easily available here, so he can explain it to you.
Well, I'm still learning about it, but so far very impressive, just like the scale of it all. There's about 50,000 terracotta warriors or something that they've got. Yeah, just very impressed by the whole site.